I'm back with another video, and today I wanted to give you guys a short tutorial on how I got this look. So this week wasn't exactly a good week for me, but I still wanted to be able to provide you guys with a video, even though the tutorial is going to be kind of short. It's going to be very don't mind my nails, but the tutorials are going to be very easy and I'm going to get right to it. So I'll be using 4 colors today. This blue color and yellow color both came from iGel. The purple color is a custom and the pink one is from Valentino Pure Beauty. For this look, I'll only be using wet beads, and I'm going to start off with the yellow color. As you guys can see, I'm going to pretty much build the acrylic colors on top of each other as I go further up the nail with the wet beads. As I'm going further up the nail and I'm applying more acrylic beads, I'm not exactly keeping track of like where I put it or if I should put it here. I'm really not even thinking about it. I'm just taking a color and applying the wet bead onto the previous color, and it always comes out looking really nice. I wanted to thank you guys for all the positivity that I've been receiving on this channel. You guys are extremely supportive and I am truly thankful. That being said, if you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to leave them down below. I do respond to comments and I do follow people back. So if you guys want me to follow you back, just leave your Instagram page down below and I will get to you. What video would you guys like to see next? I was thinking some 3D flowers possibly, but if you guys don't want to see that and y'all would like something else, please be sure to leave that down below as well. So now that I'm finished applying the color to the nail, you guys are going to see me cap this nail with some clear acrylic. So I'm first applying my bead and I'm slowly dragging it down, and this is how I get a smooth application. Due to the fact that this is a practice hand, I'm never too concerned about the thickness and the apex of the nail when it comes to me showing small tutorials as this one. But it sounds like a lot of you guys would like an apex tutorial, so like, is that what we're doing next? Like, is that what you guys want? So next I'll be using this 100 grit nail file to file the top and the side of the nail. I don't always use a nail drill when it comes to making the nails smooth. So you guys aren't really going to see too much of a drill in these small tutorials because for the most part, my application is always extremely smooth. So right here I'm filing the sidewall of the nails, and if you guys are having trouble with shaping, I will also leave a shaping tutorial video in the description box below. And last but not least, I'll be using this really shiny top coat that I got off of Amazon. If you guys enjoyed this video and would like to see more videos in the future, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.